Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot: when can I deposit to Kraken? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about why this is such a common question. Kraken is one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's a great platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. But, like any other financial institution, Kraken has some rules and regulations in place that you need to be aware of before you can start depositing money. So, with that in mind, let's get into the details of when you can deposit to Kraken. Step 1. Create an account. The first thing you need to do is create an account with Kraken. This is a simple process that should only take a few minutes. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Step 2. Complete your verification. Once you've verified your identity, you'll need to complete your account verification. This involves providing additional information about yourself, such as your address and date of birth. Step 3. Fund your account. Once you've completed your account verification, you'll be able to fund your account. There are a number of different ways to do this, including bank transfer, credit card, and debit card. How long does it take to deposit to Kraken? The amount of time it takes to deposit to Kraken will vary depending on the method you use. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, while credit card and debit card deposits can take up to 5 business days. What are the fees for depositing to Kraken? Kraken charges a fee for most deposit methods. The exact fee will vary depending on the method you use and the amount you deposit. You can find a list of Kraken's fees on their website. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when depositing to Kraken. Be sure to use a secure connection when making a deposit. Never share your login information with anyone. If you're having trouble depositing to Kraken, contact their customer support team. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about when you can deposit to Kraken. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to get started depositing money to your Kraken account in no time. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content.